starting around the 19th of June 2023 in every way that really matters. Spell genuinely token in a real sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.27% in most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Spell fundamentally has a really complete market cap of $48,040,296 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $10,721,808, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. This basically makes explicitly Spell certainly token truly positioning at 346 in the digital money market, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Spell essentially token cost forecast finish of 2023, what will really Spell sort of token for the most part be fundamentally worth in 2023, or so they explicitly thought? Is truly Spell really token an essentially wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 and in every practical sense, significant way? Will in a real sense Spell cost really outperform its unsurpassed high, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking? These truly are for the most part Spell especially token cost expectations for Spell's future, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell fundamentally token value expectation 2023 as per the Spell truly token conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Spell cost is supposed to especially cross an essentially normal value level of $0. The normal exceptionally least value worth of for the most part Spell commonly token toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to be $0, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, by and large Spell can in a real sense arrive at a greatest value level of $0, exhibiting how starting around the 19th of June 2023 all things considered, Spell genuinely token in a real sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.27% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely huge. Spell value estimate June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of truly Spell most certainly token explicitly is gauged to truly be at around a by and large least worth of $0. The Spell essentially token value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at an especially limit of $0, the very normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in a genuinely significant way. Spell token value estimate July 2023. For July 2023 the cost of fundamentally Spell token most certainly is truly anticipated to in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0 and especially least of $0 in unpretentious manner. Spell essentially token value gauge August 2023. The Spell fundamentally token cost for August 2023 may for the most part arrive at a by and large least worth of $0. The very greatest gauge cost is around $0, which explicitly is very huge. The very normal cost for sort of Spell generally is especially anticipated to essentially reach $0 August 2023 in a fundamentally huge manner. Spell genuinely token value expectation September 2023. The cost of Spell pretty token in a real sense is especially anticipated to for the most part reach at any rate worth of $0 September 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The Spell cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 through 2023 in a for the most part significant manner. Spell value estimate October 2023. The Spell sort of token conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Spell may especially arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0, a kind of least cost of around $0, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the sort of typical cost basically Spell can stretch around $0 October, exhibiting that besides in a real sense Spell can explicitly arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $0, showing how starting around the 19th of June 2023 Spell fundamentally token for the most part is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.27% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely huge. Spell kind of symbolic value expectation November 2023. The cost of certainly Spell in every practical sense. Token truly is in a real sense anticipated to truly reach at a genuinely least worth of $0 November 2023 in an exceptionally significant way. The Spell cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0, the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023 in an extremely enormous manner. Spell exceptionally token value estimate December 2023. For December 2023 the cost of really Spell certainly token generally anticipated to in a real sense arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0, kind of least of $0 in unobtrusive manner. Spell sort of token in every way that really matters. Past value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been generally diminished by 3.51% in its genuinely current worth, showing how for the most part spell value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of explicitly spell certainly token in a real sense is estimated to especially be at around a very least worth of $0, or so they for the most part thought. Assuming we look at the especially current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap certainly is likewise down in a very large manner. From by and large most recent 7 days, the spell by and large was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.23% in an exceptionally huge manner. Spell certainly token explicitly has shown exceptionally short areas of strength for of potential recently, and this could be most certainly great chance to truly dive right in and generally contribute. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of truly spell truly diminished by 43.625%, wiping out an incredible certainly normal amount of $0 its kind of current worth, which in a real sense is very huge. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be an essentially decent especially purchase a valuable open door for pretty speedy venture, showing how in every practical sense, spell in every way that really matters, token truly has shown extremely areas of strength for lovely all goals and purposes potential of late. And this could be essentially great chance to in a real sense dive right in and in a real sense contribute. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 39.31%, and the cost for the most part course from an in every practical sense. Least essentially normal cost of $0, extremely greatest exceptionally normal cost of $0, the especially beyond 90 days, which truly shows that in a real sense spell token all things considered has shown areas of strength for commonly potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, or so they by and large thought. Spell truly token in a real sense is somewhere near 18.34%, with the fundamentally most extreme truly normal cost of the coin all things considered was around $0. The really least essentially normal value of was around $0 exceptionally beyond 4 months in an unpretentious way. Spell sort of token value figure 2023 FAQs. What will all things considered be truly spell token certainly worth in 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. The spell cost generally is guanched to in a real sense arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, genuinely least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, showing how these by and large are for the most part spell certainly token cost expectations for spell's future, which especially is genuinely critical. Does really spell all things considered token by and large have a future, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking? With regards to cost, truly spell fundamentally token in a real sense has a remarkable sort of potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing how concerning cost. Generally spell commonly token for the most part has an exceptional certainly potential to arrive at new levels in a genuinely enormous manner basically. It sort of is gauged that really spell will increment in esteem in a by and large significant way, as per kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts. For the most part spell token can generally stir things up around town of the greatest cost of 2 cents till 2030, showing how the 90 days cost change especially